Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you total two websites where we can create a very high quality Dofollow social bookmarking backlinks. Okay, so first website name is mediajx.com and the second website name is uh, sbookmarking.com. And before this started, we can do some research. So according to Acharya, for the first website, the domain rating is 55, and according to SimilarWeb, they don't have enough data. Okay, so now we can start. And if I can show you this website traffic, so you will see they have 11.1k monthly traffic, and mostly traffic from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Egypt, Germany, and another country. Okay, so now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the register button. Now there you can add your username, your email address, then you guys will choose your password, then resubmit your password, and there you can verify the captcha. You can click on the create a users button. So you will see your profile is successfully created. Once you guys will create profile on this site, you will wait a couple of days, then you can make it your profile got matured. You will do some engagement with their bookmarkings, and you will do some engagement, and after you will make it update your profile. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable dofollow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description intently.co. And you will also start your social bookmarking submission. So firstly, you can click on the submit button, and there you can put your website URL. So I can do social bookmarking for my one-way page. This is a one-way video interviewing a software platform. There you can put your website URL, click on the continue. There you can add your bookmarking title. So I have already generated. So let me use this. There you can add your tags. And the second tag is a pre-recorded video interviews, and there you can add your description. So this is the description I have generated. Let me put it here, and you can verify your capture. Click on the save changes and the submit, and you will see this is your social bookmarking landing page URL. And if I can show you in incognito, so this is a instant approved backlink or not. So you will see this is a instant approved backlink, and if I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink, so you will see this is 100% do follow backlink. Okay, and also the your keyword is inserted on your title. So you will see I guess there isn't. Okay, so now we have created our social bookmarking backlink on the first website. So the second website name is sbookmarking.com. And if we can track this website authority, so according to Acharya, the domain rating is 53, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 55, and the spam score is only 1%. So everything is very good. And if we can track this website traffic, so this website having 49.1k monthly traffic, sorry, and they have traffic from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, France, USA, and another country. Okay, so first you guys will click on the register button, top of the right corner. And you will scroll something there. You can fill your username, your email address, then you guys will choose your password. You can resubmit your password. Click on the create user, and you will see your account is successfully created. After this, you can log in to your account. And you will see our account is successfully created. If you wanting to update your profile, so you can click on the profile button, and you will make it your changes there. So there you can click on the edit info, then you will able to make it profile changes on this side. Okay, so now you can click on the how we can create a social bookmarking backlink. So you can click on the submit a new story. There you can put your website URL. Click on the continue. There you can add your title. Then you can select your category. There you can add your title in the tag section. There you can add your targeted keyword, the tags. I can also use my secondary keyword here. And in the description, there you can add your description. Paste your description here. Click on the save changes and the submit. Again, you can click on the save submit a story. So you will see this is the our backlink, and if I can click on the read more button, then you will able to find your landing page URL, social bookmarking landing page URL. So you will see here your social bookmarking title, your website URL, and if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you will see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So today we have created a two high quality do follow social bookmarking backlink, and overall this is the process for the social bookmarking. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create a rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, yaar, bye bye, take care.